Alright, I'm back in my workshop. I made these long cuts outside when the weather was nice. It's raining right now. So these are, I got these birch plywood from a local hardwood store or lumber store. And just the quality is just so different. So this is the birch plywood I got. Runs about 125 a sheet, 4x8, 3/4 inch. This wild piece, I believe I got this during COVID. I don't know why I still have it. I should just burn this thing. During that time, it was even hard to just find a 4x8 sheet, and they were charging ridiculous amount of money for a reason, many reasons. So I'm pretty sure I built something with this. Forget what I built. Hopefully not a furniture. And this is typically what you would expect from the big box stores, which is fine. This is softwood. I think it's pine or alike. I wouldn't use this for indoor furniture, but shop jigs for sure, or some other use, depending on your use case. I guess you can use this for furnitures as well, but it's not as strong as obviously hardwood ply. But man, the difference in quality is just you know, different. So glad that I got my hardwood sheet and making these cuts, and I have more to go.